but I'll be the last believer as long as I still care, and I still care. I still care. What's going on? What's happening now? Show me a purpose, please show me how. Desperate times, 1,000 symptoms, one disease, government sedition, genocidal policies. No look back, no wait till history repeats. No, no more lies, no more bodies in the streets. Let the rest subside it, leaving hatred in its wake. In a nation trusted not one, swans in bed but never break. America is burning, look around, it's in the air. But I'll be the last believer as long as I still care, and I still care. Go! Let the rest inside it, leaving hatred in its wake. In a nation trusting no one, swore to bend but never break. America is burning, look around, it's in the air. But I'll be the last believer as long as I still care, and I still care. Hey, do what you want, but don't do it around me. Idleness, anticipation, breed apathy. I sit on my ass all goddamn day. A misanthropic employed with nothing to say. What you must, do all you can. Break all the fucking rules and go to hell with Superman and die like the champion you hate.